Hey St. Catharines, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for plumbing and drain solutions in St. Catharines. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, and sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in St. Catharines. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired? Pipes cleaned? Our team is equipped to handle any plumbing issue. Need emergency plumbing in St. Catharines? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing services. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed, transparent, and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive the quote fee. Concerned about cost? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional plumbing service. Rob said they were awesome. Fixed the problem in record speed. Nice to get service on the eve of a long weekend. Billy said they resolved a significant floor drain clog. Service was exceptional and highly recommend. Terry said everything was perfect. Price was reasonable. Caroline said, easy to book. Plumber was knowledgeable, competent, and clean. Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.